How to change email on Shop app. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can immediately change the email address that you use to log in into your Shop app account. So first things first, before we head straight into the video, make sure that you have fully running with the latest version of Shop application so that you will have this kind of feature. Now, once you've done this, open up the application and ensure that you're logged into the primary account. Now, if you head straight into your profile picture at the upper left, you should see a lot of options here. Now, we tap on your profile name again. And then as you can see under the email tab, there is actually a lock icon, which means that you need to fully verify everything first, such as your first, last name, your phone number, gender, birthday, and so on and so forth. Now, if you scroll down to this part, there's going to be a lot of information that you need to fill out first for you to fully activate your account. Once you've done that, you can definitely change the email address that you've used here. And that's it. That's how you change email on Shop app.